Hi, welcome to What's Up with DJ Now. Today we're making easy, no churn blueberry ice cream. Okay, these are the ingredients that I'll be using today, and they'll be linked in the video description as well. So let's go ahead and get started with 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. And we're going to put this in the blender. We're going to use 16 ounces or 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. We're going to put 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now the first 3 ingredients that you just seen me do is the basic starting recipe of any easy no churn ice cream. So the heavy whipping cream, the sweetened condensed milk, and the vanilla, that's your basic start. After that, you can basically add in anything you want. Today I'm going to make blueberry ice cream, but I've done lots of other kinds. I've done all kinds of different frozen fruit, strawberry, pineapple, whatever you like, mixed berries. You can also put in Oreo cookies. You can put in chocolate syrup and make it chocolate ice cream. It's limitless what you can do. Okay, now if you don't have a blender, you can always use a hand mixer, a submersion blender, or a food processor. Whatever gets the job done. I have a Vitamix, so that's a great instrument to have in your kitchen. You can do so much with it. Now we're going to start blending this. We're going to start on level 1 or low and then gradually go up faster to level 10 or high, depending on what your blender, what yours says. It's kind of noisy right now, so Sammy's not really having the noise. So he kind of takes off and just goes and sits down like, oh no, please hurry, I don't like that. We're going to let that go for about 1.5 minutes because you want it to really get that heavy whipping cream nice and whipped up. So, 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes would be fine. But like I said, you can put anything in this. You could put caramel syrup, butterscotch, nuts, whatever you like in your ice cream. I've actually made Bailey's ice cream before and put a little bit of Bailey's in it. That was really good. Okay, so now I'm going to get my frozen blueberries. Now I'm doing 2 cups because it's going to be very dark purpley, very blueberry-y. If you'd rather put 1 cup and have it a little less on the, the coloring and have it a little less dark purple and less blueberry, do 1 cup. I'm doing 2 cups because that's what I had left and that's what I like. It's really good. And like I said, you could use frozen bananas, you could use strawberries, mango, papaya, whatever, raspberries, whatever you like. You won't be sorry with anything you choose. It's very good. It's very creamy and it tastes really good for being a no churn ice cream, meaning you don't need an ice cream machine to be churning it over and over and over, because we're basically going to blend it to the liquid consistency and then we're going to just freeze it up. That's all we're going to do. Now when you blend this fruit, again, this is where you decide. Do you want your fruit to be a little bit more chunkier in your ice cream? Or do you want it to be completely pureed up and be smooth? You blend it as long as you want. If you just want to pulsate it, you know, a couple times and leave some chunk in it, that's fine. I'm doing mine completely smooth. I don't want to have any chunks. I just want it a smooth, nice flavored blueberry ice cream. You'll see in the end with the pictures. And like I said, you know, you could add some Oreo cookies and crunch those up a bit. Anything you want. Like I said, use your imagination. Whatever you like is going to turn out perfect, I promise. Okay, now you want to get you a nice plastic container that has a good lid on it so that you can put it in the freezer and have it set up and freeze. So we're just going to pour this in here. Now sometimes I just do the basic recipe, the 3 ingredients, and leave it as a really nice vanilla ice cream. And then right here, while it's in the bowl, I take some caramel syrup and I kind of, you know, like dollop some in there, you know, like squirt some in there all through it where it's like swirled, and then let it freeze up. And then when you get out your ice cream, you have, you know, the swirl of the caramel and the chocolate or whatever you want to put in it, the different, you know, sauces that you put over ice cream typically. Sometimes I just do that because I really do love vanilla ice cream a lot. Okay, so we're gonna just, like I said, put that in there, and this is just a single batch. If you wanted to double that, it would be, you know, twice as full if you have a bigger family. Just use, you know, double the recipe is all you got to do. You can see it's liquid like it's milk, and it's gonna freeze up and it's gonna have the ice cream consistency, and it's gonna be very creamy and very smooth. Get your lid put on there that you can seal up really good so it doesn't get any air in there, and it can, you know, not spill or anything when you put it in the freezer. Okay, so now we're taking it out of the freezer. It's been some hours later. Actually, I waited overnight for mine. I didn't want it the same night, so this is the next day for me. So let's go ahead and serve some of this up so you can see how it looks. It's very purpley, isn't it? It makes me think of Barney, Barney the dinosaur. But I tell you, blueberry ice cream is really good. It's very creamy, and well, any of the flavors you do, but it's just blueberry has a really good flavor. It's really good. I'll probably do some other videos with different types that I've done before just to show you, but as I said, it's the basic same ingredients. The first 3 ingredients is your basic starting recipe, and then what you add in after that, completely up to you and what you like. You can see it acts just, you know, just like regular ice cream. Looks, taste, same consistency. Isn't it a pretty color, purple? Purple's one of my favorite colors. And then you just put the lid back on that, keep it in the fridge till you want some more, and it's really good. So if you're still on Facebook, I do have a Facebook group that I will link in the description of the video if you'd like to join and come and discuss food with the community. We have some people in there. You can share your recipes that you find other places. You can share recipes of your own. You can share pictures of your food. If you want to come join, I'll link that in the description. But other than that, I want to thank you for watching my video, and if you could please like the video, I would really appreciate that. It would help my channel. You guys have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.